Hi clients! In this video po, i-discuss po natin yung computation dito sa Urban Deco Homes Ortigas, yung 10,000 down payment, lipat agad upon loan approval. Okay? Para ito sa 2 bedrooms, 30.6 square meters na ready for occupancy. Okay? So lilipatan na lang yung unit, may tiles na, may doors na, may paints na, livable na yung unit. So in this video ko, i-explain yung process ng ating 10,000 down payment, lipat agad upon loan approval. By the way, I am Agent Q1 and madami na po tayo natulungang clients dito sa Urban Deco Homes Ortigas. Madami na po tayo napalipat, madami na po tayo napa-reserve, madami na tayo napa-approve, okay? So madami na tayong clients, okay, na natulungan dito sa ating project. We are awarded din po as the top registered salesperson ng project this 2023 tsaka ng 2022. Okay? So, if naghahanap kayo ng legit na agent, that's me. So, you may contact me po dyan sa number ko sa taas or dyan sa aking Facebook. Just search po Agent Q1 sa Facebook or Instagram. Lalabas na po yan agad. So in this video po, dalawa po ang ating i-discuss na computation. Okay, yung una po is yung 2 bedrooms 30.6, okay, na low floors inner unit, which is the most affordable unit. Then yung pangalawa naman po is yung 2 bedrooms 30.6, okay, same lang sila na 30.6. Pero ito naman facing siya ng sunset or yung facing siya ng city lights. Okay, sa upper floor siya from 11th floor to 16th floor. Okay, so parehas lang silang 10,000 down payment. Okay, then lipat agad din upon loan approval. So yung una po, yung ating most affordable unit. Okay, ang ating unit price po ay 2.9. Okay, then yung ating down payment po ay 10,000 yan siya. Then yung ating monthly, mag-start yan siya ng 18,000. Payable po siya for 30 years. Okay, yung ating max term kay Pag-ibig. Okay, for 30 years na din yan siya. With 6.25% interest fixed for 3 years. So ito na po yung ating pinaka-affordable na unit. Okay, 2 bedrooms 30.6 low floors inner unit. Okay, wala po tayong studio ha, tsaka 1 bedroom na unit. Okay, ito na po yung pinaka-affordable natin na ino-offer dito sa Urban Deco Homes Ortigas. So next naman po ang ating 2 bedrooms 30.6 square meters na facing city lights or yung facing ng ating sunset. Okay, so mag-start po siya ng 3.3 sa unit price. Okay, then yung down payment niya po, same din na 10,000. Okay, so wala po tayong lump sum payment dyan na 5%, 10%, wala na tayong hidden charges. Okay, 10,000 lang po talaga yung down payment natin. Then pwede na po tayo ma-approve agad kay Pag-ibig. Then yung monthly amortization niya naman po, mag-start po yan ng 20,000. Okay, same po, 30 years din, under din kay Pag-ibig Financing with the most affordable financing, okay, si Pag-ibig na may 6.25% na interest fixed for 3 years. So proceed na po tayo kung paano po sila makapag-avail. Okay? Para makapag-avail po sila, ang kailangan po muna natin dyan, okay, ay yung ating requirements. Okay? So hindi po tayo pagbabayadin ng developer ng ating 10,000 kung hindi po tayo nakapag-complete ng requirements, tsaka hindi po sila nakapag-sign ng forms dito. Okay? So ito po yung ating mga requirements. Okay? Mag-start po tayo ng 2 valid IDs, payslips, COE, birth certificate or marriage certificate, then yung ating proof of Pag-ibig contribution, okay, TIN verification or screenshot ng TIN verification, then 4 na 1x1 picture. So again, ang magiging process po niyan ay una ay completion of requirements. Pangalawa po ay signing ng forms dito sa ating site, okay, sa building end, sa operations. Okay, pangatlo po niyan ay yung ating interview and evaluation ng ating officers, ng ating Pag-ibig officers. Then, pang-apat pa lang po yung ating payment ng 10,000. Okay? So, hindi po tayo agad-agad makapagbayad ng 10,000 kasi we have to make sure na ma-approve sila And to lessen na din yung cases ng ating disapproval. Okay? So, kailangan muna natin lahat yun pagdaanan kasi if ever na ma-disapprove si client, non-refundable po yung 10,000. Okay, I guess that's it, clients. By the way, I am Yuan again. And this is our YouTube channel, okay, kung saan we do have lots of video regarding the project. Okay, so you may check po my YouTube channel kasi kumpleto na po tayo ng details regarding the project. Okay, just have to browse my YouTube, okay? So, meron dyan mga interview, meron po dyan mga sa amenities natin, meron dyan yung sa unit. Okay, so complete na po yan. Okay, and if you want to reach me naman, if you have questions, okay, andyan po yung ating number sa taas. Okay, para na sa ating Viber, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay, for my Facebook account naman, nasa link, tsaka yung link niyan ay nasa comment section and description. Okay, or you might just search Agent Yuan. So yun lang, lalabas na po yun agad sa Facebook. Okay, so I hope to see you, clients. Message me now if you are interested. Thank you for watching. I hope you watch more of my videos and make sure to subscribe and message me po or call me dyan sa number sa taas. Okay? I hope to see you soon, clients.